Hi, I'm an Agile QA. I have learned this skill from DevOpsSchool.com. This course is appropriate for anyone who is looking to get into the software testing domain or for experienced professionals who wants to have a depth understanding of software testing in the Agile approach. This training program would help you to learn the new skills, new tools, and new methodologies of testing that are crucial for proper QA running in the modern software development process. So, what we are going to cover? We are going to help you to learn software development models like Agile, DevOps, SRE, and DevSecOps. Software development architecture through Monolithic, SOA, and Microservices concept. Platform and operating systems like Centos and Ubuntu. Platform like virtualization and systems through VirtualBox and Vagrant. Cloud platform AWS, containers platform Docker, planning and designing through Jira and Confluence. We are going to cover a couple of programming languages like Java and Python, source code versioning through Git using GitHub, for build management, Gradle, for package management, Artifactory and Packer, acceptance testing, functional integration through HPEUFT, acceptance testing web applications through Selenium, securing app runtime, AppScan and Fortify Web Inspect, code coverage through Jacoco and coverage.py, web server, Nginx, configuration and deployment management through Ansible, infrastructure coding through Terraform, and continuous integrations through Jenkins. After completion of the training, we would help our participants to have first-hand experience by implementing all their learnings in a real-time scenario-based project from scratch to end. So, get started on your Agile testing certification right now.